This one?
What was Puppy's name? What is it? Vi.
Vi, I'm sorry. They're like, I was kind of in the middle of something.
I was busy. And you just took me away.
She's like, wait, where is it? What happened? Okay, hold still. So tiny. Okay, hold still. I need you to hold still. I need you to hold still. Yeah.
How old are these ones now? 3 or 4 days? Yeah, just a few days old.
Just a little bit of rotation. There we go. You were not wanting me to get on that, were you? There we go.
Squeak. Little squeaks, yep.
There we go.
So tiny.
There, I know. It's a good thing that I have, like, child mitten hands, because this would not be happening otherwise.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
My.
Okay, she feels good back here.
Good.
Nothing else. There.
Oh, my. Okay.
Okay.